Can you tell me your name again?
Steve Cook.
And where are you from?
Jonesboro.
And what's your specialty here?
I've been building stained glass for about 45 years. And through a friend down here, I helped them out early on to redo that window, that freestanding window, and so they could take it to fundraisers and events and actually try to raise some money to help with the refurbishing of the St. Mark's Church. Well, we recreated the pattern of the old windows, and these 6 windows on the west side are all new, made to match the existing windows on the east side that didn't get destroyed when these did.
Oh, I see. Okay.
From what I understand, a weather anomaly like wind shear or something virtually blew these windows out.
Oh boy, yeah.
So there was nothing here, so they put the safety glass in and protected the building for a number of years, and then decided, well, they got a grant to do this restoration, and so that's how I got involved. And
so you had to actually build these from scratch?
Correct.
Based on these examples behind us here?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
It's kind of hard to tell with this one in the light and that one not, but how close do you think you got?
Oh, I'm real close.
Real close?
I'm real close. Yeah. There was a border glass. This glass is a little different, but it's similar, but it's a little different than the original because that glass just simply wasn't available and wasn't going to be available anytime soon. So sometimes you just have to make do. It's not hard. It's time consuming and rewarding in a creative way. So I just created the pattern from dimensions on the existing windows, and then we ordered the glass. This field glass had to be made. They didn't have any. This came from Kokomo opalescent glass in Kokomo, Indiana, and they made the original glass that these windows were made from 100 years ago. They've been making glass for about 130 years.
Wow! So you got the original glass maker in on it.
Oh yeah,
that's great.
Yeah, and that's the best way to do it when you're trying to match glass. I sent them samples. They said, "Well, this is a K127 WW."
Yeah,
and so there was a little delay in getting the glass because they have to have a certain amount in order to make the glass. So I waited, and it was 6 or 8 weeks, and so we had some other things to do in the meantime, but they finally got it done and shipped it to us, and we turned it into these windows.
Okay.
This will have Lexan on the exterior, which is totally clear.
Right.
And then these will be perfectly visible but protected from rocks and
flying
limbs
debris
and stuff like that. So
yeah, downdrafts generally come this direction.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, from the west.
Yeah.
And, So
are you going to put these in today?
No, they won't go in today. There's I'm working actually on this front window, which has some real issues in the framing. So we're going to have to. I'm ready to put those in, but it's not ready to receive the glass yet. So, because the medallion got blown out of the front window, and we thought we had it tracked down, and that didn't materialize. So Lynchburg Stained Glass is creating the medallion center of the focal window in the front of the church.
Oh, okay. So there's 3 over here, 3 over here. Is there? And there's 2, 1 back there?
Yeah, there's 2 back there.
2 back there.
1, 2, 3. There's 14 total, I believe.
And of those 14, your 3 and the front one are the ones that had to be remade?
Well, I rebuilt 6, and then we took the rectangular windows in the front that are around the medallion window, and I totally disassembled them and built them back with new lead. And then when the medallion window's ready, we'll pop it in the middle and they'll
Okay.
have a celebration.